Hi, I'm Keegan Gibson. I'm a game developer for Digital Confectioners. And this is Digital Confectioners. We got bean bags, games, people who make games, Nerf blasters, and now I'm going to show you how we make games. Game programming is creating something from nothing. It's creating the world, the environment, how a character moves, how he behaves, how players will interact with the game. The first step of game dev generally will come up with an idea. As we get further along into development, we'll move into bring on our art team, starting to work up concepts. This is from a new game called Kingsman that we're working on. It's probably a while away from development now. It's a medieval turn-based strategy where you play a king looking after a region of the world and protecting it from enemies. After we have our core concept for the art, we move on to our core gameplay mechanics, and this is where really I come in. The first step is really to start building the nugget of fun, as we call it. It's the bit about the game that makes you go like, this is the bit that's fun, this is the bit we need to sort out. So the first thing I did when I came on to Kingsman was to create the grid-based navigation so units can move around the map. So we built this grid generation code, which essentially grows a grid out over the map to discover all the different places on the map where a player could move a unit. I work with an art team based in Houston, Texas. They made all the animations and the modeling. Once we import that into the engine, I take over again and hook it all up. And that's really what we have here, is looking at how the unit looks in-game, how it behaves in-game. And then we can tie it all together and hook it up to in-game events and to player movement, player actions, keyboard, mouse, and tie all the animations together. So as we bring everything in, the art team, the design team all have their input, and then we start moving it off to our QA team. And our QA team essentially tests the game. They find all the bugs, send them back to us, we fix the bugs and send them back another bill. QA sounds like a lot of fun. It's really not. It's a lot of testing the same thing over and over again, running into that same wall. Become a game programmer. It's a lot more fun. When a game does well, it's a great feeling. As soon as Dep came out, I jumped on the servers and you get little dev tags, so they all know that you're a developer. And you get to play with them, hear their feedback, hear their excitement, which is really the greatest part of game dev. I went to study at a place called Media Design School. Studied there for 3 years. It's now a Bachelor of Computer Science, majoring in game programming. New Zealand's game industry is growing fast, probably too fast. We need more people to be doing it. There is a lot of game companies and a lot of them looking to hire more people. The best place to go to look at all the studios in New Zealand will be the New Zealand Game Developers Association, which is nzgda.com. I love being a game developer. You get to create so much from so little. If you want to get into game development, hop in, have a go, experiment, have fun, and enjoy.
Please, hurry up and subscribe. Click the subscribe button.
No.
Ava, you've been pushing.
No.
Why is it so big? Oh, keep pushing. Just click subscribe. Otherwise, we're going to be here the whole time.
Oh,